How's it going? Just wanted to come in with Message with a Bottle. There's a lot of things in this song that really help, you're playing and bringing, different things together like chords and riffs. Seems to be some difficulties. So anyways, zooming in here on the fretboard, it starts out with essentially a power chord. C sharp minor, but we're adding the ninth. Meaning if this was our octave here, C sharp, 8 octave, 8, 9, 1, 5, 9. Sliding up back to this A note, kind of starting the riff over. And then from there, I'm going to go right to the pre-chorus. I'm going to go kind of little 1, 4, 5. So we're kind of like starting out in C sharp minor, but then we're modulating into the key of A. Then it goes to F sharp. And I kind of just use this little kind of turnaround riff to go, what's going to go, and then it's going to end on this F sharp minor. But to get there, I like to use this little like, so I'm kind of just crawling back down, this kind of like A major scale sort of. And I end it with that F sharp minor. Just a simple version of it, just to, kind of go along with my series of, just jamming on these songs and just kind of keeping them going till they kind of, lock it in, so to speak. This song really helped me bring together, going from a riff into power chords, into bar chords, and then trying to like have the timing together where I can throw in the I had a friend here a couple weeks ago jamming, and I usually use these like Jazz 3 picks. They're real small, really thick, real tight. And one of my guitar students used them all the time, so I kind of got it. But my friend Jason, who was here, he grabbed one of my thinner picks. So I'm kind of getting used to that. that clickety sound. I kind of like it. Kind of adds like a little more flick. Maybe I'm getting old. My arthritis is kicking in.